Hello, fellow space explorers. Today we're embarking on a journey to the innermost planet of our solar system, Mercury. Buckle up because we're in for a wild ride. Imagine a place where the sun blazes fiercely, casting giant shadows across a landscape that's both familiar and, well, pretty alien. That's Mercury, a planet of extremes and mysteries. Mercury has captivated astronomers for centuries. Its close proximity to the sun makes it a challenging but super rewarding target for observation and exploration. Unlike Earth, which enjoys a more temperate relationship with our star, Mercury experiences the full force of the sun's power. This makes it a fascinating example of how planets can evolve under extreme conditions. So, let's fire up our imaginary spaceships and prepare for a close encounter with Mercury, the scorched messenger of the sun. Get ready to learn about its scorching temperatures, its cratered surface, and the secrets hidden deep within its core. Our journey promises to be full of wonder and discovery. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's even smaller than Jupiter's moon Ganymede. But don't let its size fool you. This little planet is a record breaker. Zipping around the sun at an average speed of 107,000 miles per hour, yep, that's 172,000 kilometers per hour, Mercury is the fastest planet in our solar system. That's why the ancient Romans, who were excellent observers of the sky, named it after Mercury, their swift-footed messenger god. Just like its namesake, the planet Mercury darts across the heavens, completing its orbit around the sun in a mere 88 Earth days. Imagine celebrating your birthday every 3 months. This incredible speed is due to Mercury's close proximity to the sun. The sun's gravity is much stronger the closer you get, and Mercury is practically sitting in the sun's front yard. This gravitational pull whips Mercury around in its orbit like a cosmic race car. Hold on tight because Mercury's climate is anything but mild. Because it's so close to the sun and has almost no atmosphere to speak of, Mercury experiences the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system. During the day, the surface can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 430 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But wait, it gets even more extreme. Since Mercury has practically no atmosphere to trap heat, temperatures plummet to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 180 degrees Celsius, at night. That means a single day on Mercury experiences a temperature swing of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, over 500 degrees Celsius. Talk about a dramatic change. The lack of a substantial atmosphere also means that Mercury is a silent world. No wind howls across its surface, and no clouds dot its sky. Sound, as we know it, can't travel without air. So if you were to stand on Mercury, wearing a very, very good spacesuit of course, you would experience an eerie silence. Now let's talk about Mercury's appearance. Imagine a world that looks a lot like our own moon gray, dusty, and covered in craters. These craters are the result of billions of years of impacts from asteroids, comets, and other space debris. Without an atmosphere to slow down these incoming objects, they slam into Mercury's surface with incredible force, leaving behind their mark on the planet. One of Mercury's most striking features is the Caloris Basin, a massive impact crater that stretches over 900 miles across. To give you a sense of scale, that's roughly the size of the continental United States. Scientists believe that the impact that formed the Caloris Basin was so powerful that it sent shockwaves through the entire planet, creating strange, jumbled terrain on the opposite side of Mercury. This incredible feature is a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped our solar system. While Mercury's surface might seem desolate and unchanging, there's a lot going on beneath its rocky exterior. One of the most intriguing things about Mercury is its unusually large iron core. In fact, the core makes up about 85% of the planet's radius, a much higher percentage than any other planet in our solar system. This giant iron core is responsible for generating a magnetic field around Mercury, which is a bit of a mystery. You see, for a planet to have a magnetic field like Earth's, its core needs to be at least partially molten and rotating. While scientists believe that Mercury's core is at least partially molten, its slow rotation should make it difficult to generate a magnetic field. To study this magnetic field and other mysteries of Mercury, we've sent several spacecraft to the planet. Mariner 10 flew by Mercury in the 1970s, giving us our first close-up views of its surface. More recently, the Messenger spacecraft orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015, providing a wealth of information about its composition, magnetic field, and incredibly thin atmosphere. And the exploration continues. The European Space Agency's Bepi-Colombo mission, launched in 2018, is currently on its way to Mercury. Bepi-Colombo carries 2 orbiters that will study Mercury in even greater detail, hopefully unlocking more secrets about this fascinating and enigmatic world. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Mercury, the scorched messenger of the sun. It's a planet of extremes with a rich history and many mysteries still waiting to be unraveled. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us as we continue to explore this fascinating world.